bricks. Yeah. Well, these rocks. Look, there's weed. Maybe someone lives in there. Like Harry Potter.
The snake. What was the snake's name?
I don't know.
I got the pee, didn't it? This is a creepy alley.
I hate going downhill. I like.
Oh, there's people in the door.
What was the name
How
of
are
the
you?
basilisk? Did it have a
Oh
name?
yeah. But, no, it was just Basco.
There's a basilisk.
From Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Really?
I thought I had. Well, what do I know? I haven't read them in career. Wait, what? Oh, what is
Slytherin.
I don't know.
That's a pretty cool view.
That's just what's his face. Like, had control over it.
I like Harry Potter sometimes. Well, all the time. Like every step I take. More like Jay is though.
Tomorrow,
Yeah,
in the
I want to be
area.
funny.
If Jay fell, you'd be rolling like all the way down.
Say, Bruce Scott. You remember that?
Bruce Scott.
Remember that? Bruce. Any of you?
I do.
Okay.
I remember everything of the German language except for endings.
In Bavaria, they say Grüß like everyone. Everywhere you go. The market is that way. Or,
I think we should go to the market.
okay.
Just for fun.
No?
Yeah. No, she was just saying Mo. That's great. Oh, no, this is some house. Could you imagine this with snow on it? That'd be great. And trying to drive up and down it.
I think there's a woman making bird calls. Really?
Watch Jay eat it extra hard. Highlight the balance of it.
Another door.
No, no gardens here.
It's even too much.
I can kick it down if I hit it hard enough.
I just see trees.
Olympic star right there.
You leave that up there?
I don't.
Next U.S. gold medalist in gymnastics.
Oh, I like that bird.
That was in the building, isn't it?
It is what time?
There's no way it's real.
It's real.
What are you talking about?
The bird on top of the thing. Okay, we're still saying that stuff for
Maybe we
that
should throw something at it.
Here, I have this cone. That would be littering.
Well, with the power of technology, I can stick my camera to see. It's just a whole lot of green, of course.
What? Oh, I thought that crazy. Oh my god.
And that scared the crap out of me.
And then there's somebody coming out of the
Everyone, run the other way.
Flying monkey from the loser.
That's what I was afraid of.
I know.
Oh, man, this walking's killer for my back.
Yeah, what'd you do?
Sorry, girl. See that sauerkraut?
My back was already aching from today. This is making it worse. Crank. Man, everything's all pushed together. It's cool. Yeah. Just come back.
Watch out, Pumpkin. I'm gonna push you.
No.
He's definitely coming this way.
He's gonna run over us. He's definitely the killer. Cat killer.
The cat killer.
Drive by.
Wow.
The whole set, or just the
No, that vase
that
or whatever.
flower vase?
Oh, look at that angry one in the front. What is
Porcelain.
that? Oh, it killed something. That's a fox. Never mind.
Dog.
That's a fox. It's a fox and chicken.
Why would you buy that?
Firefox.
I'd say chicken. I just saw the fox.
I'm gonna spend all my money on it. Except I don't have that much. I'm only $3,500
for that.
Hey, Christmas lights. Oh, that's weird.
Went that way. Oh, cool. We're in a circle. Told you guys.
At least we didn't have to turn around and backtrack.
Go that way.
Have we been here? Yeah.
I just didn't want to.
Where did we come in from? Oh yeah, we went that way. That leads back to.
That way? Never go that way.
We turned. We went up there.
Yeah, we already went there.
Yeah, so that way would be the way we came.
Maybe we should just get out of the middle of the road. I've ordered
Because we
that
haven't been that way.
That way?
That way.
Okay.
Because we should have heading back, right?
Yeah.
Sort of. I think we should pump the water. Yeah.
There's water coming out.
That's what she said. This is more.
Touch it.
It's the flower.
It's what?
But what if there's gold in there? I gotta say, it's pretty comfortable.
Ah.
And it looks clean.
Looks is one thing.
But birds,
Ew.
You turned to magical princess.
birds bathe in it, so.
I'm okay. I don't like unicorns.